morning, children. Okay, in previous class we learned about the reading, writing the data. Reading and writing the data, those things are discussed. Reading the data and writing the data and measuring the data. Today we will discuss using the numbers. So how we using the numbers? Using the numbers. Using the numbers. Using the numbers. How we use the numbers? How we use the numbers? Okay, using the numbers. Scientists are numbers when they are collected and display their data. Scientists are numbers. Collect the data and the data. Understanding the numbers using the shown in the result of investigations are important skills of the scientist must have. Ask you work like a scientist and you will be numbers in the following ways. Generally, the scientists will use numbers. They must use the numbers. So using the numbers for what? Interpreting the data. First one is interpreting the data. Data must be interpreted. Okay. Second one is numbers. These are very much important too. Okay. Next one is using number sense. Using number sense. Okay. So numbers are very much important to find out anything. By seeing the time only we need, okay, some measuring the things, some length and width and value, okay, like that everywhere we need some numbers. So generally in page number 12 one diagram is given already data, countries and milk production per year. It is a data actually. Data means information. So they are given in the form of chart, but in the chart you can see numbers are given. Without numbers there is no meaning there. So that is called interpreting the data. Data will be compared. Nowadays corona cases you can see highest in America. So like that we are in third place. So numbers are there. Daily some numbers are giving. They are giving numbers. The persons, how many persons are infected corona. So like that some numbers are given here. Some numbers are given. Some numbers are given. So they are day by day they are giving numbers. Yes, sir. Related to the corona. Related to the coronavirus they are given numbers. Okay. So here also the data will be interpreted with using the numbers. Data also interpreted with the numbers. They are interpreted with the numbers. Okay. So interpreting the data, they have to interpret. The next one is using the numbers for what? Interpreting the tables. Tables. Next one is tables. Tables. Charts. Tables. Charts. Tables, charts, graphs, okay, graphs. So graphs. So these are the things are nothing but a good way to display the data. Tables, charts, and graphs. Okay, next one is using the number sense. Scientists must understand what this number are represent. The computer and art numbers compute with the numbers shown in the graph. Read the scales on the thermometer, measuring cups and beakers and other tools. Generally, so that using the numbers sense, how it will be used in thermometers. Thermometers. Thermometers, okay? And thermometers after what will be there? And the measuring cups. Next one is measuring cups. After that, beakers. Next one is beakers. After beakers and other tools. So next one is other tools. Okay. So using the numbers, thermometers. When you want to test the temperature, means you need what? Thermometer you need. Even the measuring cups also need for the measuring of the liquids, and also you can see the beakers and other tools. Good scientists apply their math skills to help them display and interpret the data they collect. Good scientists will depend on the maths. They will depend on the numbers to find out the good result. Good result. In your school library or laboratory, you will have any opportunity to work like a scientist. You work like a scientist, you can work like a scientist to find out the new things. Okay? Your school library, okay? An exciting year of discovery lies ahead, okay? Next one is, so these are the things while using the numbers. Must use the numbers, okay? Next we go to safety in the science. Next we go to the safety in the science. We will discuss about the safety in the science. Safety in the science. Safety in the science. Safety in the science. What is the safety? Means nothing but nowadays corona you are facing. Safety, what is the safety? Wearing the mask. You have to wear the mask, okay? You must wear the mask. Use sanitizers. And not only that, okay? You have to maintain what? Social distance. So these are very, very important. These are the very, very important things. Here also, while doing experiments, what you have to do? You have to do some of the practices. First one is think ahead. First one is think ahead. First one is think ahead. Second one is think ahead. First one is think ahead. Second one is be neat. Second one is be neat. Third one is oops. Okay. Third one is oops. The fourth one is watch your eyes. Watch your eyes. And the fifth one is yuck. And protect yourself from shocks. Sixth one is protect yourself from shocks. Protect yourself from shocks. Keep it clean. The seventh one is keep it clean. Okay, so these are the things you have to remember while doing the experiment. Okay, while doing the experiment, what you have to do? You must think ahead. So you think ahead, what you have to do? Study the steps of the investigations, so you know what to expect. So what you want to gain, what you want to investigate. Think ahead. Yes, I will get. Yes, I will get the result. So like that, when the Thomas Alva Edison doing the experiment, he done 1,000 times. 1,000 failures are there. Finally got. Okay, like that, think ahead. Okay, and what do you expect? If you have any question, ask your teacher. Be sure to understand any safety symbols that are shown. Okay, so you must while doing the experiment, just ask your teacher. So the teacher will help you. Be neat. Second one is be neat. You must be neat. You must be neat, clean. Keep your work area clean. And if you have long hair, put it back so it doesn't get anywhere. You have a long hair. Generally, girls will have long hair, but that's the case, so they have to put it back. And just roll or push up long sleeves to keep them away from your experiment. Long sleeves. Okay. Roll or push up. You have to push up long sleeves to keep them away from your experiment. Next one, oops, if you should spill, break something, get cut, tell your teacher right away. So generally what happens, many cuts are there. So generally you have to tell your teacher. Teacher will have so cover with bandage. Watch your eyes. You must watch your eyes and wear safety goggles anytime you are directed to do so. If you get anything fall in your eyes, tell your teacher immediately. Anything fall in your eyes immediately. What should you tell your teacher? Yet never eat or drink anything during the science activity unless you are told so your teacher. Okay. So oops means cut. Any cuts are that better to tell your teacher. Be neat means you must wear the neat clothes. Sleeves will be up and you have to girls will. Okay. Watch your eyes. Google means eyes. Cover with your eyes. And yuck means is nothing but you never need to drink anything while doing the experiment. After that, protect yourself from the shocks. Protect yourself from the shocks while you are doing the current with current or electricity. What you have to do? You have to be careful. So be careful while using the electrical appliances. Be sure electric cords are safety place where it could be tripped them. Don't over pull plug out of an outlet by pulling on the cord. So what you have to do? Don't while doing the LCD. So be careful. While doing the XCD, what should you have to be careful. Don't pull over the plug out and outlet by putting it on the cord. Okay. Next, keep it clean. What should you do? It must be keep it clean. It must be clean. Must be clean. Okay. Always clean. Always clean. Always clean up when you have finished. Put everything away. Put everything away. Put everything away. Wipe your work area. Wash your hands. Okay. While completing of your work, so just wash your area. So what you have to do? Just wash your area. You have to clean properly. So generally you have to clean the areas where you are done experiment, and then you have to clean your hands properly. So these are the things you have to remember when you are doing safety in the science. First one is the think ahead. Okay, and be neat. You must be neat. What? You must be neat. And okay, next after that, okay, what you have to do? Okay, what you have to do? Yes, oops. Means when you cut any damage is there, better to show your teacher. And watch your eyes. Means you have to cover your eyes with the goggles. Don't eat and drink. Don't eat and drink in your places, and also protect yourself from your shocks when you are doing the LCD, and keep it clean. You must clean your surroundings after doing the experiment. The secret of investigations and discoveries only lies in identifying the problem. Main thing is to identify the new things is solving the problems. Solving the problems. The earth revolved around the sun before they discovered heliocentric theory. Copernicus. The same way the things usually fell down on the earth even before the Newton's investigations. So you know heliocentric theory, and also heliocentric theory not only that, even Copernicus. We found the Copernicus. Even the earth will fall on the earth, the substances will be things used to fall down on the earth before Newton's investigations. The meaning behind that was the people thought behind the common man is identifying the problems. Behind the common man. The people who will think behind the common man, they will become a scientist. Okay? They thought and observed in a unique way. They think differently, they thought differently. In a unique way. And we know the necessity of mother investigations. Necessity of the mother is invention when the people needed mean to travel fast and place to place in the place and discover the vehicles. The same way to travel more fast, invented super fast jet planes and even space aircrafts to know more about the development of science. Go through the book History of the Science by F.J. Kojori. Kojori is one scientist. He write about the history of science. He wrote. In history of science, in that book, they are explained about the different scientists will do different works. How they are investigated, new things, those things will be discussed. There are a sequential order in the discovering things. Let us observe how your mother cooks. How your mother will cook food, that is also an experiment. And also, you can also observe how a cycle mechanic repairs a cycle, and also try to observe the former clauses field, how will former clauses field. So you will find a systematic manner will be there everywhere, how the your mother will cook to the prepare, and how the mechanic will do the cycle mechanic will that is cycle will do. Okay, next one is how the farmers will plow. Those things all are experiments only, that is how to systematic manner will be there. And write what you observe about these patterns and discuss in your groups. In your class you have to discuss how they are doing those things. Next, write what you observed about these patterns and discuss in your groups. Next, how do these birds and ants and find their way home? Birds and ants will find their, how they will find. So that is also one question, means you have to find out. And also how trees shed their leaves in particular season, why they shed their leaves in a particular season. And likewise many more questions might have to sprouting in your brain. Many more questions will be sprout. Why, like that some questions will be raised. Try to answer them in your own way. For this you need to follow sequential order to please go through the following. So for that what you have to do? So you have to follow some of the things. Then only you can understand. First one is identifying the problems. First one is identify the problem. What is the problem here? So nowadays problem is corona. Okay. So first one is identifying the problem. Identifying of the problem. First one is identifying of the problem. So identify the problem first. Identifying the problem. Okay. Next one is making hypothesis. Next one is making hypothesis. Making hypothesis. Next one is making hypothesis. Next one is making hypothesis. Collecting information. Third one is collecting information. Fourth one is data analysis. Next one is data analysis. Fifth one is experimentation. Okay, experimentation. Next one is result analysis. Okay, next one is result analysis. Next, generalization. Okay, so generalization. So these are the things you have to remember. So generalization. So these are the things you have to follow. First, identify the problem. So Thomas Alva Edison, in that time there is no light actually. With the help of the oil only in the night time they will stay. But now we are using different lights. Okay, LED lights. Okay. So the first person identified Thomas Alva Edison. First he identified the problem. What is the problem? There is no light in night time. For that, what should we have to find out the bulb? Okay. Next, making the hypothesis. He told that I will find the bulb. That is hypothesis. Okay. Next, collecting information. What are the things will be helpful to find the bulb? Which one produce the light in night time? So like that. And the data is different. Thousands of information he collected. He worked on the different elements, hundreds of elements he worked with. Finally, tungsten one element. So which will produce the light. And you can see experiment. He done so many experiments. 1,000 times he done the experiments. Final result analysis. Find the only one, that is tungsten. Finally their relation. Finally found the bulb. So like that. So you have to follow some of the things. These are the things you have to follow. Then only you will get the information. Okay. Now today's homework is you have to. So you have to. So that is the safety in the science. Learn safety. Safety in science you have to learn. Is the very first one is. Second one is this one. Okay, what is this one actually? So this the sequential order. So this is the sequential order. This is the sequential order. So what is the sequential order to find out the new things? So these things you have to learn. Okay. So thank you children. Thank you very much. Okay. I think lesson is completed. Okay. Be careful.